From the muddy waters rises one of the nature's most elegant creations, the lotus. But beyond its beauty lies fascinating science that inspires modern technology. This is a beautiful pink lotus, India's national flower and a symbol of purity. But do you know, each part of this flower has a special function and even edible uses? The petals. Petals protect the inner parts and attract pollinators. The stamens. The yellow filament like structures that produce pollen. In the middle is the pistil, which later turns into a seed pod. This is the pentacle or the stem, which supports the flower and connects it to the plant. Have you ever noticed how water simply rolls off a lotus leaf? This is because of something known as the lotus effect. The surface of the lotus leaf isn't smooth. It's covered with tiny bumps and a waxy coating that repel water and dust. This means water droplets pick up dirt as they roll away, keeping the leaf perfectly clean. Scientists have used this idea to design self-cleaning materials, waterproof paints, and smart textiles inspired by the lotus leaf's nanostructure. Lotus is a plant full of edible treasures. The thick underground stem of the lotus, called the rhizome, is crunchy and nutritious. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and iron, used in curries, soups, and even chips. Number 2. Lotus seeds, often known as makhana or foxnut. Lotus seeds are found inside the pod. When dried and roasted, they become makhana, a healthy snack full of protein and antioxidants. Number 3. Lotus leaves. The large lotus leaves are not eaten directly, but they are used for wrapping food, especially rice and fish, to give a natural aroma. Number 4. Lotus petals, occasionally used. The petals are sometimes used to decorate dishes or in herbal teas, though not eaten as a vegetable. The lotus, a symbol of purity and beauty, is not just admired for its looks. This sacred flower is also a natural medicine used for centuries in Ayurveda and herbal healing. Number 1. Lotus root or rhizome. The lotus root is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It helps improve digestion, boosts immunity, and reduces inflammation. It is often used in soups or tonics to strengthen the body. Number 2. Lotus seeds, often known as makhana or foxnuts. The lotus seeds are known to calm the mind and improve sleep. They help in treating diarrhea and are good for the heart, rich in protein and antioxidants. These slow down aging naturally. Number 3. Lotus leaves. Lotus leaves are used in traditional medicine to control bleeding and treat diarrhea and fever. They also help reduce body fat and improve liver health. Number 4. Lotus flower and petals. The petals and stamens are used in herbal teas and medicines to lower blood sugar and soothe the nerves. They are also used to treat skin problems and promote relaxation. Number 5. Lotus stamens and embryo, insect seeds. In Chinese medicine, the green embryo inside lotus seeds is used to reduce anxiety and cool the body. The lotus, a flower that blooms beautifully in muddy water, holds a special place in human history, culture, and faith. It is a symbol of purity, peace, and spiritual awakening. In Indian culture, the lotus stands for beauty, prosperity, and purity. It appears in paintings, temple carvings, and traditional designs. The lotus is also India's national flower, representing our values of strength, peace, rising above difficulties. In Hinduism, the lotus is sacred. Goddesses Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth, is often shown seated on a blooming lotus. Lord Vishnu holds a lotus in his hand, symbolizing creation and divine energy. Even Lord Brahma, the creator, is said to have emerged from a lotus that grew from Vishnu's navel. In Buddhism, the lotus represents enlightenment. Just as the lotus rises pure from muddy water, it teaches us to rise above ignorance and suffering. Each color of lotus has meaning: white for purity, pink for the Buddha, and blue for wisdom. In Egyptian mythology, the lotus was a symbol of creation and rebirth. The sun was believed to rise from it. Across Asia, it symbolizes harmony and spiritual growth. Here are some facts that you didn't know about lotus. Number 1. The lotus plant has existed on earth for over 145 million years, even before the dinosaurs were extinct. Fossilized lotus leaves have been found in ancient rocks. Number 2. Scientists have germinated lotus seeds that were 1,300 years old, proving their incredible longevity. That's why the lotus is also a symbol of rebirth and immortality. Number 3. The surface of the lotus leaf has microscopic bumps that repel water and dirt, a phenomena called the lotus effect. This effect inspired self-cleaning paints, glass, and waterproof fabrics. Number 4. Lotus flower can maintain its temperature between 30 to 35 degrees centigrade, even if the air is cooler, just like warm-blooded animals. This helps attract pollinators like bees and beetles. Number 5. Almost every part of the lotus is edible. Number 6. The lotus is India's national flower. It symbolizes purity, unity, and spiritual strength, rising clean from muddy water, just as humans can rise above difficulties. Number 7. Different lotus colors have meanings. White lotus stands for purity and peace. Pink lotus stands for divinity, linked to Buddha. Blue lotus stands for knowledge and wisdom. And red lotus stands for love and compassion. Number 8. Even if the pond dries up, lotus rhizomes can stay alive underground and grow again when water returns. Number 9. The flower follows the circadian rhythm, opening with sunrise and closing at sunset. Number 10. Lotus symbols appears in ancient civilizations. The lotus motif appears in Egyptian temples, Indian sculptures and Buddhist monasteries, symbolizing creation and rebirth. So the next time you see a lotus floating gracefully on water, remember, it's not just a flower. It's a story of science, history, and spirituality that has bloomed for millions of years. Thank you.